Hi, this is Dave Larson. My wife and I just we had two projects by Renewal by Andersen. We had first six windows put in, and the gentleman did a great job then. But this last two windows and patio door, the two gentlemen that worked on our house, what's this, Mark and Paul, were absolutely incredible. Rare qualities, humility, kindness, what's this, knowledge, and just hardworking, no breaks, uh, just very conscientious of the job that they do, understanding that they want you completely happy with their work and project. And so it was very impressive to me. And I'm painting now the frames and stuff where the windows were put in, and I'm just looking at just the great job they did. I again cannot recommend more highly Renewal by Anderson's. They're a good company. It's expensive, I grant you that, but I think you're getting, at least I know I am getting the value for my money. And the reason I say that is their warranty is unsurpassed in the window industry. They're here for you. They come out if you have a problem. If there's anything that happens, they're there for you. And their customer service is excellent. Uh, they call and check in the process. They're constantly in touch with you. And I got my windows 2 months ahead of the scheduled install, which was a delight, in before Thanksgiving. And I wasn't due to get them till February. So that made my wife and I extremely happy to have it done now. As the winter comes in, we'll have more warmth in our house. They're airtight. Just the cost savings is going to be tremendous. And so again, I couldn't recommend higher this company than what I've just said. And their work quality is unsurpassed, second to none. So with that being said, I just really enjoyed this last two work projects, and I'm done. And money well spent, increased the value of my home, and people see my windows. Oh, you got Andersen. Everybody knows about Andersen's windows. A lot of people just don't pull the trigger because maybe they don't see the value. I do, and I'm happy. Thank you.